It's all wet. Make sure we feed them. We go to sleep with a happy stomach. You know? You live life solo. Gotta find him a girlfriend, something like that. Or boyfriend, I don't know. Hey, you a girl? You a girl or you a boy? I'm gonna pray. He don't want to talk. Right? Why about I'm watching your back? Okay. Got the turtles over there. They prying on me. They see me throwing a bread. There you go. You got water bread right there. Make sure you eat for me. Yo. What I done? Yes, sir. Huh? One bread right there. That's enough right there. Eat that, and I'll give you some more. Okay? Okay. Where you going? What you looking at over there? Oh, you want no more bread? He probably got tired of me being on his face, bro. Disrespectful, like we just met. And I'm all on his face. Yo. Spread your wings so they can see you. Yo. Huh? You pretty birds. You can with the corn. Give them some corn. You know. Really think it's getting better. Then I could just buy different type of food for them. Yeah. Food right there for them. Got food over there for them. Then I got this little one over there, food for them too, right there. And then I'll feed the fish. And must see the birds, because the birds be getting the bread from the water too. Okay? Okay. All right, I'll leave it alone. My fault.